Hi there, students. Ornery, okay, an adjective. Ornerily, an adverb. Orneriness. Okay, this word's quite interesting because originally it's from the US. Ornery means uh, um, bad-tempered, cantankerous, disagreeable. He's an ornery old man. Somebody likely to get angry and argue with people. He's been in an ornery mood all day and he's been arguing with absolutely everyone. He's very crotchety. Yeah, he's very ornery. He got out of bed on the wrong side. Yeah, he's very bad tempered individual. He's ornery and opinionated, and I really don't like him. Yeah. Okay. So ornery gets angry easily. Yeah. Mean spirited, disagreeable, very contrary. Yeah. Somebody who's vile tempered. You can also use it to mean low and treacherous. That was an ornery trick you played upon me. Yeah. That trick was below the belt. It was ornery. You can also use ornery meaning stubborn. Yeah, bad-tempered and stubborn, I guess. These are pretty close together. Yeah, he's so ornery, he just won't change his mind. He just won't do things in a different way. Okay, so an ornery person, cantankerous, stubborn, disagreeable. Yeah, mischievous as well. Okay, the origin of this word comes from ordinary. Okay, but it came from ordinary, maybe at the beginning of the 19th century from the US. Yeah, ordinary comes from Latin, ordinarius, regular or ordinary, order. Ornery, how formal is this? I think probably the Americans use this more than the British. In British English, it sounds rather literary and rather formal. Yeah, so I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. You might find that if you use this in the UK, people might not know what it means. Yeah, but somebody who's got out of bed on the wrong side is ornery. Yeah, he's an ornery old man. He's really cantankerous. He's always grumbling about everything. Okay, so this word has comes from the US and it's come back to the UK, which is I think quite interesting. The word going in the opposite direction because most normally we are the ones the Brits are the ones who give them words. Okay, so if somebody's really ornery, wait until they've had their coffee and they've calmed down a bit because if they're ornery, you're only just going to get shouted at. Come on, don't be so ornery. Your orneriness is really annoying. Yeah. Just be reasonable. Yeah. Don't be so stubborn. Don't be so difficult. Yeah. The donkey has a reputation for being an ornery animal. Yeah. The he ornarily agreed to do what I said. So he agreed, but he complained the whole way. Yeah, he was bad tempered and crotchety about it. Yeah. Um, he's ill natured. So he has an irritable and unpleasant disposition, which is what makes him quite so ornery. Um, yeah, I went to do to sort out some red tape in the council, and I was met by a group of people with very ornery faces and very ornery attitudes. They were bad tempered, they were stubborn, they didn't really want to help. Okay, so ornery, this is a good adjective to describe a person. Okay, he's just so ornery, it's really difficult to get him to agree to do anything. Yeah, the or- orneriness of people, of some people, makes you just not want to have to do anything with them. Okay, so ornery. I think probably a lot more common in the US than the UK. I'd be interested in comments about that. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ornery originated in the US from the word ordinary.